we need to talk. We need to talk about this thing. Yeah, this old box. This box is my PC, and today I'm going to be switching the case to something even better. You see, I've had this case for I don't even know how long. It served me well with content and gaming. But today will be the day where it's going to be gone. The insides are very interesting, like dusty, and I don't even think this case fits this exact motherboard. But today, we're gonna be fixing it. See, for Christmas, I got this new case. It's called the Deepcool CC560. I'm pretty sure this behemoth. But let's just real quickly open it with these trusty dusty tools. So I'm gonna open this now. Where do I start? Oh, that wasn't good. But you know what? I still got it open. And here it is. Let's get it out of the box. Here it is. My new case. So I don't know where to open it. It just slides out of here. Oh, yep. Just slides right out. And there it is. Let me show you guys real quick. Kinda can't really raise my camera up too high. Oh, there's the mesh panel. It was stuck in the little bag of the case. It's got 4 LED fans. LED. It doesn't have RGB. But regardless, I still love the color. And I think just one transition, and we're done. Finally got the whole case finished. Man, this thing is amazing. I love the way it looks. Can't really see it too well, but I'll showcase a picture of it online. Here you go. Editor Slushy speaking here. Moving all my PC hardware to another case was a fun and challenging experience. But with some thinking and some iffy cable management, I was able to pull through and make this new case work. Last thing to do is to plug it in and power it on. Oh, wait. Now power it on. Just had to hold down the power button and it's running. It's up and running. Y'all see that? The heck happened? I'm gonna go see what's going on with this. Okay, so after troubleshooting, I realized nothing is wrong. The screen is perfectly fine. It runs. Those red dots just meant, I guess, nothing. And I finally have the new case, so content might be a little faster. With this little cooler case, faster speeds, we got it. Thank y'all for watching. This PC is amazing, and we'll see you all later. Goodbye.
Like and subscribe, and if you look down, even YouTube's telling you to do it.